Okay, so I decided to make a separate video on this. I'm doing the 98 spec Type R swap on a 2000 Civic DX. I already cut the plug, then I realized I should make a video on it. So this is the plug, the distributor plug on the DX. As you can see, it's the small plug. This is the plug on the Type R, which is the big plug. It's a 10 pin versus 8 pin connector. All B series will have this kind of plug, and 96 to 98 Civic DX will have this plug. So I tried to find a adapter plug. I found one the other way around, but not this way. And I tried to find, diagrams out there and stuff and whatnot, and didn't find any. So I decided, maybe I'll just make a video on it. So what I already did is cut the plug. I'm gonna mate, then I'm gonna mate it. The Civic is missing this wire right here, which is the RPM signal. To my understanding, when I compared the two wiring diagram, this provides RPM signal to your tach. Most DX don't have tachs, but everything else will match. So you can match it pretty much color per color, or as far as I remember when I looked it up, even the pin locations are all the same, minus this wire and the big black yellow. The big black yellow is still part of this, just now it's a small wire. But this one, you run it separate. If you're watching this video, that means it was working fine. Actually, no, even if it's not working fine, I'll make a video and a revision on what. But when I read the diagram, this wire, I should be able to connect it to this wire right here, because I'm pretty sure when I looked at the diagram, this is your RPM signal to the tach. This car already has, he mounted a tach to it. I don't know if it's working or not. I should ask him. So, but it should be able to mount, connect it to this, and the tach should work again. Oh yeah, it should be working, because I think on 99 2000 Civic, the computer provides the tach signal, and B series or 96 to 98, it does not. It provides it through the distributor. So yeah, so let me get the wires soldered up and buttoned up, and I'll update you guys. Okay, so there you go. Got it all taped up, and let me show you where this one blue wire went. So basically, I used black wire so you really couldn't see it, and then it went here, and then this is connected to what this one was. So I just stuck that underneath. It's a little longer than I made it, but that should be fine. I'll let you know if it starts. Okay, so there you have it. I got the distributor plugged in, wired up. As I said, this is plugged in here. Went like that, and then it went to this, where this was. That actually, if I'm not mistaken, is what activates the tach, the RPM signal, what makes the tach work. So if you left that unplugged, so let's say you just put an adapter and then connect that, I believe the tachometer won't work. So this is why it's working. As you can see, no check engine lights. All right.